is the okay. So essentially, so you can talk about so structurization is basically how you write your paper. One of the things which took me very long to learn is how to write, how to basically structure your paper. As designers, I think we think a lot much more abstractly. So many things we write in many ways. So instance, first I want to write about this, I did this, I did this, I did this, and you do a whole range of things. So it becomes more of a. So my first papers were very documentative of sorts, and I was going all over the direction. Which is when Professor Atwankar told me how to structure a paper. Structuring of a paper, he told me essentially you have to go ulta, in the sense you understand what your claim is, okay, or what is it that you want to say in your paper. In the sense, the most important thing in a paper is that you have to say something. Okay, so you first write down what you want to say. That's the conclusion, and then everything else that you write should build up to that conclusion. So in the structure, you essentially begin with a very vaguish introduction. Then move on to background study or what other people have written. Then you move on to what all you want to find out, what all problems you find, then you move on to what you've done and how you've analyzed it, to how you validated it, what are its findings, and hence what are the conclusions. So you move, or you essentially build an argument towards your claim. That's how you build your structure. So essentially, if you want, so this is a very rough structure. So in the review process, what would happen is first you have what is called as a